of the treatments that we had discussed was some filler, and we had discussed it to my under eyelid, or what is known as a tear trough. I definitely had dark circles. You know, I am a tired mama. I don't get a lot of sleep with 2 young children and working full time. But I definitely felt that after having my kids, it just got really worse. And I am in my mid-30s, so a little bit of volume loss in that area is not terribly uncommon when you have some early signs of aging, which I knew. I just felt like it looked worse. And before, I used to be able to go without makeup, and I didn't look like death. And now I felt like whenever I didn't have makeup on, I looked like I was sick or wasn't feeling well, because I had this, you know, dark circles and hollowing under my eyes. And so that was definitely a huge target area I wanted to address. I just wanted to feel like I didn't look tired all the time. It's okay if I actually am, but I don't want to look tired. So that is really what I was hoping to be the end result and the goal. And so I have actually, even though I've worked here 8 years, never had filler before. And so I actually did not share with Melanie, the nurse that was been performing the procedures on me, I did not share with her that I was actually quite nervous. I've seen patients have filler numerous times. And everyone's a little different when they receive treatment, especially when we're dealing with needles. But this particular treatment, I was nervous. I thought, okay, I'm gonna prepare myself for it to hurt. And I was pleasantly surprised. It didn't hurt at all. I could feel the initial needle poke, and I didn't, now mind you, I did not numb. So some people will do a topical numbing. I chose not to. I really wanted to know exactly how it felt. And Melanie did use a cannula method, which, you know, helps her really kind of feather in the filler in the areas. And we had talked about doing that tear trough area that I mentioned previously, and then a little bit just here in the cheek area. I definitely had some volume loss there as well, but nothing that would be over dramatic. It would be definitely a subtle change. And so when she did the treatment, I was again really surprised that it didn't hurt. And I could feel the initial needle poke. And after that, I really didn't feel much. It was actually, I'm not gonna say it was pleasant, but it didn't hurt, and it wasn't unpleasant either. It just was. And one of the things that I always loved about filler before ever having it was that you can see the instant result. And I always loved that for patients, is that when you get filler, you instantly see what it does for you live in that moment. There's no waiting. You don't have to, it doesn't have an onset. You don't have to wait 2 weeks to see the results. You see it immediately. And who doesn't love instant gratification? I mean, everyone does. And so it was different to experience it for myself. And that just made me love filler even more, because I actually got to experience it for myself, that instant gratification, that instantly seeing that, wow, look how my, you know, dark circles are gone. They're immediately gone. And it's so exciting and thrilling, and it definitely felt worth everything, you know. Getting filler can sometimes be nerve-wracking, but I definitely felt like this was easy. This is a piece of cake. I could definitely do this. And I was really pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to do, as well as how amazing it was to be able to see my results instantly. Non-Surgical Mommy Makeovers are now available at Empire Eye and Laser Center. You can check them out at empireeyeandlaser.com. There are already pre-built packages, as well as custom packages can be built for those and their individual needs. Consultations are free, so if you're interested in even having a discussion about it, come in, see Melanie, see La, see Rachel, see one of our amazing aesthetic team, and they can really get a plan set for you and get you the goals that you want to achieve. Don't forget to follow us on social media as well at Empire Eye and Laser Center for Instagram and Facebook. I look forward to seeing you all in a few months to see the completion of my journey.